question is, how did the chicken cross the road?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good morning everyone. So today we are going to be going to a place called the Florida Key West. It's where you got blue oceans, amazing skies. It's in the middle of nowhere. It's like a 3-hour drive. So I'm going to be heading with Felice. We're going to be heading there. It's going to take about 3 hours to get there. And we're going to get the drone and we're going to get some awesome footage and show you what there is to do in Keys. So let's get out of here. We have made it to the Keys. 4.5 hour drive to get here, but we finally made it. We're gonna grab some food and then we're gonna do a little bit of exploring, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Chicken. There's literally chickens walking around. Well, that's a rooster. Around a restaurant that we just stopped in. A Mexican place. We're gonna get some world famous key lime pie. I've never had it before, but why not?
How many forks?
15.
15 slices?
15.
Or 15 forks?
15 forks.
Sure?
No, just two's fine.
I have 15.
No, we only need 2. I'm only being sarcastic.
You're fine. Have a good day.
You too. Famous key lime pie. I'm not really a pie man, but ayo.
It's good. Don't complain.
They're pretty good.
In Key West.
Very sweet.
Yeah.
What? It's not actually lime, is it?
Lemon. Hold on.
It's a lemon meringue pie.
You got it.
I've never really been a dessert man. Like, I would never eat dessert unless it's like a chocolate cake. That's about it.
How's the pie?
It's decent.
Is it decent?
Yeah.
Yeah, lately I've been trying to be a better person.
No. It's pointless. Because everyone's a dick. So you might as well just be a dick and enjoy life. Right, so now that we've eaten, we're heading over to the most southern point in the Keys. Call it Key West or the southern point. So we're just walking down this long strip. This is the most southern point, but there's a long ass line. Everyone wants to take a photo. That line is just to take a picture.
Oh, wow!
María, la que vende tabaco. Ah, Isabel, hermano, una pila. Take it, boy.
Thank you, brother. For the coconut,
Oh, no problem, my friend. No
Thank
problem.
you. The question is, how did the chicken cross the road? Man down. He's stressed because we got nowhere to sleep tonight. He's currently trying to look at a map to see if he can find somewhere, but he can't find anywhere.
I'm gonna find a place very soon.
First time you ever heard me do it.
So we're currently in Key West. There's loads to do here if you're a tourist in terms of sightseeing, seeing boats.
He's like, hey!
We've come to the edge of the water, me and Felice. Gonna watch the sunset.
Feeling your size.
So we're going to turn the camera off in a minute, but the nightlife has come to life out here. So I'm going to put the camera away and I'll see you guys in the morning.